Alrighty guys, today I want to talk to you about the CASA DECOR. It's called the Majestic Sleigh Bench is what they call it. And my girlfriend actually just ordered this 2 weeks ago. Had it in our apartment. It's really nice. There's a lot of great things to say about this. First of all, ordering furniture, everyone knows, is very difficult, or most people, especially if you're, kind of on a budget. Really just trying to get the best thing for the best price that also will last you for long and isn't gross. Hasn't been used. Has been used, then you want to be really careful with it. But it's always nice to have something new. And I really like what she did with this here. So yeah, I'll talk a little bit about the build. So obviously this is a brown color. It's kind of like a cloth fabric. It's really nice. It's definitely not the softest thing in the world, but I would peg this more as a decorative bench than anything. Even though we definitely have had, we had a little party this past weekend. We had everyone out in the living room. People were sitting on here, and it is comfortable. But yeah, again, not like the softest thing in the world. So you're not going to be, laying down on this thing Sigmund Freud style. But, you get the point. What do you call it? Studded. The seams right here, they are studded. Again, that's more of was an aesthetic choice. For a while, I don't know. It took me a while to get used to it. I really started to like it. It's not as, if you look at the picture on Amazon, it's not as, or it doesn't look as, I would say, as innocent looking, if that makes any sense. I think the studs kind of give everything like a rougher look. It's that like punk sort of look. But when you see it in person, it's really nice actually. It just kind of holds everything together, and it gives just some extra flair to this like piece of furniture, which otherwise would be just brown and kind of plain, and it makes it pop. It makes it more three-dimensional. So I actually really do like the studs. It took me a minute to get used to, but really am digging them now. For the legs, you have these strong black polished wooden legs on each side. So you got 4 of those. They point outwards. They're really thin legs. I actually really like that because I'm super into the mid-century modern style furniture, and I think that it reflects that style really well. But yeah, even as the legs are small and do have that kind of that look that maybe might not say, hey, these are some strong durable legs, the thing is actually pretty sturdy. It doesn't really move or anything. You could sit on it. We had a couple people sitting on this, 2 people sitting on it at a time for a little party we had last weekend, and it was more than fine. I like that they have the sides right here. Again, kind of gives some dimension to this bench, and you can put pillows on it. So we usually put these little pillows on it. We actually just got some new pillows, but we haven't taken them out yet. But before we had, just some nice decorative pillows on there. And it's cool because, I would say, first of all, if you're putting this, if you want to use it for something that's a little more for comfort than for seating, definitely get some pillows, because it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. Especially if you're putting it up against a wall, then you're definitely going to need some sort of decorative pillow, or maybe even like a blanket to put down on it if you're going to be sitting on it. Other than that, I think it stands pretty well on its own. If you're just maybe putting it in the hallway, lots of people online were saying, oh yeah, we were just using this and putting this kind of in like our foyer, and it was just a piece to like look nice. For us, it was that, and it was also some extra seating. So if there's one thing I would recommend, is if you're going to get this, definitely get some pillows or a blanket or something to add a little bit of a comfort factor to it, because otherwise, yeah, not so much. It's, it's definitely more of a decorative piece of furniture, or meant to be at least. Yeah, other than that, really solid little sleigh bench we have here, and I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for some extra seating or a nice little decorative piece of furniture in their home. Alright guys, take it easy.